What's up, everybody? So check this out. I got some hair. Living with girls, you get hair up all in you. Anyways, so check this out. In today's video, yeah, my nose itched real quick. We are gonna be hooking this bad boy up to the tow truck. We're gonna haul this to the mechanic. He's gonna take this and we're gonna get all new electrical. So first, we gotta move these. We gotta move the Suburban and we gotta move the Blazer. But we got a surprise. Stick around, you don't wanna miss this tow truck. It's sweet. Alright folks, check this out. Alright, so we gotta get a few things ready. We're gonna let that battery charge for just a minute. Let it idle. I don't know how much gas is in there. I think I'm running low. But we're ready. We've basically got everything cleared out from underneath here. She's ready to rock. So when he gets here, we'll show you the sweet tow truck. But anyways, we're basically taking it down to the mechanic and we're going to, I can't decide what I'm going to do. I'm going to have him do some extras. So he's going to rewire the whole thing. All new electrical. Got a few different switches for the AC. Not switches, but like harnesses for the AC. We got a harness so that we can run a fan. We're going to run a electronic fan, not a mechanical fan. We've got the dash. He's gonna throw this new dash in when he takes that one off to do the electrical. I've got the flooring right here. So as soon as we get it back from the mechanic, we'll tear the seats out again. We'll pull those out, let them kind of heat up, sit for a minute, get ready. And then after that, we will basically, so another thing we're gonna have the mechanic do is, I know I can do this, but we're just gonna have him throw some brake lines on, some longer brake lines for the front here. And then I think I'm gonna talk to him about the rear brakes. I think I'm gonna have him just put all new brakes in the rear. I think one of them's leaking, so I'm gonna maybe see if he can check that out. He's also, I'm gonna see if he can wash, obviously power wash this thing, motor wise, everything, get everything kind of cleaned up. But we are leaking something out the bottom around the transmission. So once he gets it running, we're gonna try to get, yeah, we're just gonna, there's a bolt missing by the starter. I'm gonna have him kind of add some bolts in, get that tightened up so the starter fits real nice. And then the only other thing we really need to do is just get a radiator. So I can't decide if I want to just have him do the radiator, because where he's doing all the electrical work, if he can get the radiator done for us, I should be able to, if it runs decent, I should be able to just drive this thing home. So that's my plan. I kind of want to do that. So I don't know, we'll see. All right folks, are you ready? Are you ready to see this sweet tow truck? Check this thing out. Oh yeah, she's got the rear end locked up. Look at this thing. stuff going. There she goes. So she's off to get new electrical. The brakes, we're gonna get the brake lines going. Oh man, that thing is bouncy. Anyway, so yeah, talk to him a little bit. We're gonna get some stuff going. When I get that back, it should be ready for the road. So that's gonna be it for this video. Or next video on the crew cab will most likely be us driving it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. This video wasn't like, you know, fantastic, but just an update on where we're at. I've been waiting for that for a little bit. Now that that's taken care of, might be a few weeks, 2-3 weeks, I don't know, hopefully sooner than later, but you gotta be patient. Good things are worth the wait. So smile, make sure to go down, check out some Amazon, some Bucked Up, and the Auxito light bulbs, and have a good day. I'm gonna leave you with this. Oh man, look at that. That's just, man, life is good, folks.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.